See, Shakira, Shakira, oh baby, when you make it with my girl mad. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're back again with a new video. So before I get started, this is my review about this cream right here that I found on Amazon, and I want to say, like, you know, I've been using this for like a month and a half, and I wanted to do a review about this nails cream. Okay, so first off, I wanted to say, you know, I made my little planning on what I'm going to talk about. What is Barielle? Anyway, the story behind me buying a nail straightening nail cream was because my real nail were damaged and the reason why my real nail were damaged is because I removed the wrong way my press-on nails. I used the super glue, the Zoya super glue. Now if you're someone that likes to do your nails at home, you will know what I'm talking about. It's a good glue to glue on your nails. So I wasn't patient enough, and it's because the day before I was supposed to take the press-on off, the nail came off. So me being me, I say, oh no, I'm not going to work to any places with like nails missing on my on my finger. Basically, I'm like, hell no. So you know what I did? Use the same glue, the same quantity that I used before, 2 weeks before, to apply to the new one. Now it's this nail right here. Obviously it wasn't the right idea, like I don't know what I was thinking, but next thing you know, the press-on wouldn't come off, like, because I glued this like a couple days ago, like 2 days prior to the removal. So I was like, oh my god. So I was forcing, and then I felt, oh my god, so much pain. But the nail did come off. When my real nail were like, sis, my real nail were disappeared. Would be like, it's over. Like, for me, I like to save money, especially for my to do my nails at home. It's really important to do my nails at home. You know, it's part of the beauty journey and something like that, feminine journey, you know. So I went to the pharmacist, and he said that it would take me 3 to 6 months for my nail to regrow. Now I went to another one girl. She told me that, you know, the nails on your here on your hands like grow a little bit faster than your nail at your feet, you know. So I thought you were right, you know. But to accelerate the processes of me getting, like, having my real nail looking healthy, so I can, you know, can put press-on again and it will look nice, because, you know, you need to have the base looking nice, looking good, you know. You do not want to do like fake nails and then the base is looking crusty. The base is looking funky, crusty, whatever. You do not want that. So what I did, I found, and by the way, If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button before I continue. So like this video, share. It said that for best result, you allow the cream to penetrate overnight. So it's best to apply at night. But I find this funny because I always wash my hands, but I think it's still stick to it. So it's best to apply at night. And shake well before you use. Oh, I didn't know that. Anyways, so basically you massage over nails and cuticle daily. For badly damaged nails, use at least 2 to 3 times daily. Allow 2 to 4 weeks for noticeable improvement. So I can say after a month it did work out. So this is my nail right now, and I can insert some picture. And my nail were growing like crazy. I think it's because of the biotin thing in it. And this one I keep like, you know, filing the nails over and over because my thumb, the nail on my thumb were like growing like crazy. And this one also. And you know, I keep finding the nail so it don't, you know, become like weird shapes all over. So I want it to be like equal on it in a sense. So you can see a picture, see clearly. So this is my nail. I skipped some days. Some days I just apply once. Some days I just apply 2 times. And there's come many days I apply none. But it didn't stop the, you know, to see me seeing like results. This do work out, but I will highly suggest to really stick to a routine. Like do not forget to do it, and to, you know, really if your nails are really damaged, I recommend fourthly to, like, you know, I recommend like to apply, to follow the direction on the product and to apply that. And this is like a 42 millimeter, so it should last a long time. You know, but this is how I apply. I use a little bit a lot, but since this end is like completely new again, it's more like this hand, and this one, it did grow out, but every time I, you know, do something, you know, the progress is gone because my nails breaks off in this finger. But it does work out, so I keep finding it, you know, to give it a good shape when it does grow up. So I'm more focusing now on this end and more on this finger rather than the other one, because I know the other one is still growing. It's okay, it's this one I'm focusing on. So you know, there is a lot, so I'm just going to do that. And now I use an oil also with that, so I think that helps also, but this will be another video. We're talking about only this cream. And the smell, it smells like nothing but, I think like it's Spanish something. I think it's Spanish because, you know, maybe it's Spanish. It's made in the US, but they have the Spanish writing, so I thought it was Spanish. But I paid $10 for this one, and I think like I'm really satisfied with it. I'm just waiting for this to grow again and again. But this is completely my experience with this product. I've been using this for months, like for 1 month, maybe 2 months now, and I want to share my experience with the cream. And if you're like me and you have bad removal and you want to grow your, accelerate the processes of your nail growing out, I would suggest you to use this cream. It works. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Bye.
Say, baby, I love you.